Yashpal Joshi ji. We also are privileged to have amongst us Dr. Dinesh Arora, our quiz master for today. "15 schools have sent their teams to DAV Centennial Inter-School Quiz Competition being organized as part of Centenary Year celebrations of DAV College Hoshiarpur. And today we are here to celebrate the power of curiosity, the joy of learning, and the thrill of competition. So I would request Principal Sir to accord a green welcome to our quizmaster for today, Dr. Dinesh Arora. I request worthy members of College Managing Committee to join in the welcome. बच्चों बिना बोले हुए चुपचाप शांति से बैठ जाइए जगह पर. So before inviting Principal Sir to accord a formal welcome to our quizmaster, I would like to mention in a single line that he's a dedicated teacher from the Department of Political Science, DAV College, Jalandhar, and he has touched hundreds of lives by providing guidance for civil services, youth parliament, and several other social activities. I would a big round of applause for our quizmaster, Dr. Dinesh Arora. I would now invite Principal Sir to accord a formal welcome.
Thank you. Worthy President Sir in absentia, worthy Secretary Sir, Quizmaster for the day, Dr. Dinesh Arora, Vice President YP Joshi ji, Secretary, Joint Secretary Sharanji Saini ji, my colleagues from different schools and colleagues from this institution and my dear students. जैसा भी मैडम बता रहे थे कि हम 100वें वर्ष में ये DAV कॉलेज होशियारपुर प्रवेश कर चुका है, तो चाहे यहाँ पर बैठे विद्यार्थी अलग अलग स्कूल से, अलग अलग इंस्टीट्यूशन से संबंध रखते हैं, लेकिन वो इसी होशियारपुर पेरिफेरी में, इसी एरिया में, इसी विसिनिटी में रहने वाले हैं, तो आप सभी के परिवार वो किसी न किसी तरह से कभी ना कभी प्रत्यक्ष अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से इस DAV परिवार के साथ जुड़े रहे हैं. तो आप सभी की परिवार की उन्हीं एफर्ट से ये DAV कॉलेजेस 14 जून को अपने 100वें वर्ष में प्रवेश किया है, जिसके उपलक्ष्य में आज हम ये क्विज कंपटीशन करवा रहे हैं. इस मौके पर क्विज मास्टर के तौर पर जो डॉक्टर दिनेश अरोड़ा आए हैं, मैं इनके बारे में एक दो चीज़ें ज़रूर बताना चाहूँगा कि ये तो पॉलिटिकल साइंस के टीचर तो हैं ही DAV कॉलेज होशियारपुर जालंधर में, लेकिन इस विजन ने जब भी कभी, चाहे वो कॉलेजेस का इंटर जोनल यूथ फेस्टिवल हो, जोनल यूथ फेस्टिवल हो, या और भी किसी तरह के क्विज कंपटीशंस हो, या कम्पिटिटिव कोई भी इस तरह की एक्टिविटी हो, तो इनकी ऐसी विजडम के कारण, इनके इंटेलेक्ट के कारण हर एक की कोशिश रहती है कि इन्हें बुलाया जाए उस फंक्शन में क्विज मास्टर के तौर पर, या उस फंक्शन में, या उस एक्टिविटी को होस्ट करने के लिए, उस एक्टिविटी को परफॉर्म करवाने के लिए. तो डॉक्टर साहब, आपका इस DAV परिवार में पधारने पर मैं हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं, और साथ ही जो अन्य DAV कॉलेज मैनेजिंग कमेटी के सदस्य आए हैं और जो दूसरे स्कूल से कोलीग्स आए हैं और स्टूडेंट्स आए हैं, आप सभी का मैं DAV परिवार की ओर से यहाँ आने के लिए हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir. I would now read out the names of the 4 teams that have qualified for the final round. So the teams are from Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary Model School, Hoshiarpur, DAV Collegiate Senior Secondary School, DAV College Campus, Hushiyarpur. PM Kendriya Vidyalaya, Hunda. And the team from JBK SCM Girls Senior Secondary School, Chakalla Baksh, Mukeria. So congratulations to the shortlisted teams. I would now request that lots be drawn to take the seating arrangement for the teams. So सारी teams आगे आ जाएं, participants आगे आ जाएं ताकि lots draw करके इनको A, B, C, D का जो seating arrangement है इनका किया जा सके.
See. Say. All participate from each.
So one participant from each team would come forward to pick up a slip and draw the lots would be drawn.
There is.
So the 4 shortlisted teams would now be taking their position according to the lot that they have picked. So basically they have chosen a seat for their team themselves. So before we begin today's quiz, a word of advice to the participants. Please listen to the questions carefully and speak loudly and clearly so that you are audible and your answer is clear. And I would also like to introduce our scorers for today. They are our students Panvi and Divyanshi. And our scholars are Miss Shefali and Miss Dipshikha. So in a short while, I would be handing over the stage to our quizmaster, who is a veteran in quizzing, Dr. Dinesh Arora, who would lead us into a journey packed with knowledge. If Fodness Opchi, Nation, no, Winter, Purpose, so just the final touches. So all the best to all teams. May the best team win. There would be some questions for the audience also, so be prepared for this battle of brains. So, are you ready, sir? So, without any further ado, I would hand over the stage to Dr. Dinesh Arora, our quizmaster. Please welcome him with a loud round of applause.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity to visit this holy place. DAV is not simply a name of a college. It's a family. Wherever you go in the world, you will find the members of DAV. It's a big family. There is no formality like the formality which we perform in any educational institution. So whenever you visit DAV, keep in mind only one thing, that we are in a family. So it's a big family and we all feel proud to be the part of the DAV family. So I'm very thankful to my friend, Principal Dr. Vinay, for giving me this opportunity to visit this holy place, to visit this historic college, which is on the threshold of completing 100 years of its existence. There are very few colleges, very few institutions in India who have touched 100 years. When you see the glorious history of this institution, you will feel proud that you are the member of this family, which have already achieved miles in its long history. And at the same time, we feel our deep responsibility to carry the legacy that we get from our founding fathers. They have their vision in mind. जब भी आप कॉलेज के किसी भी प्रांगण में विजिट करोगे तो आप में इनको लगेगा कि ये कॉलेज की एक ईंट भी जो है ये भी एक विजन के साथ लगाई गई है और आप उसके साथ अपने आप को रिलेट कर पाओगे. दिस इज द डिफरेंस अमंग द डीएवी कॉलेजेस एंड द अदर कॉलेजेस. आपको वो अपनापन डीएवी कॉलेज में ही महसूस हो सकता है, किसी और कॉलेज में यू वोंट फाइंड दिस लिबर्टी. In any other institution, wherever you visit, you won't find. आप जिसे अपना कहते हो वो सिर्फ the feeling आप डीवी में भी ले सकते हो. तो whenever you visit, do you feel proud that we are at home, who are in our family. So I'm very lucky and very thankful to my friend for giving this opportunity. I'm feeling blessed with the presence of the members from the management side. I'm lucky that I get their blessings before the start of this event. I'm thankful to all the staff members, all the students of this great institution for providing this opportunity. I also record my sincere thanks to all the teachers who are here with the peace. Actually, it is only because of the efforts of the teachers that these 15 teams, they are able to participate in the quiz. And it is only because of the efforts of my teacher that I am here in the stage before you to participate in the quiz. In the preliminary round, 15 teams participated. And out of 15 teams, 4 teams are on the stage before you. These are Team A, represent institutional PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya. Just have a round of applause for Team A. Team B, represent JBK SCM, Girls Senior Secondary School. Has a round of applause for Team B. Team C represent DAV Collegiate Senior Secondary School. Round of applause for Team C. And Team D represent Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary Mother School. Round of applause for Team D. These are the 4 teams. They qualified on the basis of their scores. We have conducted preliminary round and now on the basis of their scores, they are on the stage, right? Now we conduct the final stage quiz. Before we start the final stage quiz, let's have the rules of the game, right? We must be very clear about the rules. First, 4 rounds from A to D. Last 4 rounds from D to A. We have 8 rounds, right? For a direct question, the moment I complete the question, you will get 16 seconds to reply. 16 seconds, 1-6, right? You have to reply within 16 seconds. But your first reply will be considered as the final. You won't get the time to change your answer, right? You can discuss with your partners and then reply.
right? We'll soon check your mic. Team B, if the question passes to you, for the passing question, you will get 8 seconds. If again the question passes, team will get 4 seconds. Again passes to the next team, then the team will get only 2 seconds. We have to immediately reply. Clear? For a direct right reply, you will get 10. If the question passes and the next team gives the right reply, we get 5. 10 and 5. Okay? Clear? If you have any query, any doubt in your mind, you can ask. You can, the moment I complete the question, your time is back. You can ask me to, sir, repeat the question. I will repeat the question in Hindi, in Punjabi, as per your preference. But your time will start the moment I complete the question. Right? Because we believed a good quizzer should be a good listener. You have to concentrate, you have to listen. I will repeat the question again and again within the good time. But if you concentrate only, then you will be in a position to reply. Okay? Any doubt? In between, we have one audio round, one visual round will be there. Audio round will be no pass round. Right? Similar is the case with the visual round. It will be only to the specific team, but it won't pass. The questions which we don't get any answer from the stage, that will pass to the audience. Some of the questions we have, especially for the audience, and you will get tokens, special prizes from this host institution. We have very beautiful gifts for you people. But keep in mind that first preference will be people who are on the stage. If they have no reply, only then you can raise the hand and get a chance to reply. Okay, shall we start? Okay, again, we acknowledge our timekeepers and Scooter from this very new host institution. And now we'll start the quiz. May the best team won this quiz. Team A, this is for you. Listen carefully. We usually use pencils, right? In pencils, there is one word, that is HB pencil. HB stands for what? HB is written on the pencils. HB stands for what? Team A. Speak loudly. High pressure. Yes, team B, you can try.
Hard and bold.
Hard and, I give it to you, 5 for team B. This is hard and bold, hard and black, but it is not high pressure. Right? You need not to take any pressure. Be relaxed. Team B, this is for you. Chai Pito. On tea bags, you can easily guess. If you take teas, you can easily guess it. On tea bags and tea boxes, there is one word, that is CTC. CTC is written on the tea bags, tea boxes. CTC stands for what? Yes, team C. CTC stands for what? Team C. Team D, quick. Only 4 seconds, yes. 2 seconds, team A, you can try. CTC stands for what? Passes. This was your question. Passes to the audience. Yes. Cost to company. Yes, anyone can try. CTC stands for what? Yes. Yes. Curl. They're absolutely right. This is the process. Process, crush, tear and curl. This is the process of tea formation. Crush, tear and curl. जो भी आप लोग मिस करोगे, we get it from our serious, right? ये सर आपकी blessings है. We are learning from your presence, sir. TC, this is for you. Team C, usually we use USB port in the computers. USB port. अक्सर use करते. USB stands for what?
Univers Universal Serial Bus.
Universal Serial Bus is absolutely right. Plus 10 for Team C. Universal Serial Bus, it was invented by an Indian in 1976. And his name was Ajay Bhatt. He was in foreign company and he was in Intel and invented this USB. Team D, this is for E. We get 10 for it, Team C. Team C, Team D, this is for you. These days, for making real-time payment, we are using UPI. UPI stands for what? Yes, PMAID, UPI. Speak loudly into the mic. Yes, Team B, UPI use करते.
Universal Payment is all.
Universal payment. Yes, Team C. Universal payment passes to the audience. This was your question, Team D. So many hands are there. Yes. Yes, Unified Payment Interface. Recently, we are giving this to many of the countries, right? I have a question again related to UPI. Have a round of applause again from the audience side and one gift from this host institution for giving the right reply. We have completed the first round. This was just the ice-breaking round, not directly related to the syllabus that I get to prepare for your quiz, right? Now we come to the GK part, especially related with geography, right? Not going into very detail, right? You need not to worry. Team A, this is for you. In India, in which of India's state does the river Sabarmati originate?
Gujarat.
Gujarat, yes, Team B. Andhra Pradesh, yes, Team C. Uttarakhand, speak loudly. Uttarakhand, yes, Team D.
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh passes to the audience. Yes, so many hands are there, yes. Rajasthan is absolutely right. This is from the Aravali lakes in Udaipur. Sabarmati river originates, right? We give a one token to the audience, right? Team B, this is for you. You have to name the only independent country in the world beginning with the letter Q. Q for Kui.
Qatar.
Qatar is absolutely right. 10 for Team B. Team C, this is for you. The Brahmaputra, river Brahmaputra, is known by a special name when it enters into Bangladesh. What is that name? Yes, Team D. Make a guess. Guess is allowed, Team A. Siddipur. Yes, Team D. Lol passes to Jaris. Yes. Yamuna is right. Have a round of applause again from the audience side. Whatever you wish, they will definitely got, right? Last question for Team D. Team D, this is for you. Which country's capital is Bogota? Bogota. Bogota. Bogota is the capital of which country? The first chapter of any book, even in the NCERT, when we start from countries and capital. Yes. West Indies. Passes, yes, Ubi. Vastensi. Russia. Russia. Yes, this was your question. Passes to the audience. Yes. Colombia is right. Again from the audience. Team A, we are going to start the third round with you. This is from the modern history. I'm not going into detail, right? This is only from the modern history, concentrating only on the modern history. You get the question in the preliminary round from the ancient history as well, but I concentrate only on the modern history. Team A, this is for you. This is a part of your syllabus. The day Mahatma Gandhi ji launched non-cooperation movement, he launched 4 movements. This was the first biggest national movement, non-cooperation movement. The day he launched non-cooperation movement was on 1st August 1920. On this very day, the great national leader died. We have to name that leader. पहले उनको श्रद्धांजलि दी गई, उसके बाद ये मूवमेंट शुरू की गई. Yes, Team A. Modern history. Team B. Team C. 1920. 1920 में तो शुरू हुई मूवमेंट. वी आर टू मेन द पर्सन जिनकी उसी दिन डेथ हुई और उनको श्रद्धांजलि देने के बाद मूवमेंट शुरू हुई. Yes, Team D. So Udham Singh passes to the audience. Yes. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is absolutely right. Have a round of applause. Team B, this is for you. In 1940, Mahatma Gandhi ji started individual satyagraha, right? Keeping in view Second World War, he started individual satyagraha. Who was the first satyagrahi? Very famous question, very famous personality. Speak loudly to the mic.
Swami Dayanand.
Yes, Team C. Just hold, and I know it. You have the answer of this question. Yes, Team C. Team B, you can try. Team A.
Indigo Workers Champaran.
Speak loudly.
Indigo Workers Champaran.
No, this was the first local level movement. I am talking about 1940. Individual satyagraha. Who was the first satyagrahi? Passes to the audience. This was your pursuit, Team B. Passes to the audience. Who was the first satyagrahi in the Acharya Vinoba Bhave is right. Have a round of applause. Team C, this is for you. Again from modern history, freedom struggle, not going into other aspects, right? Team C, this is for you. The Hunter Commission was constituted for inquiry which event during the freedom struggle. So, Jallianwala Bagh. Jallianwala Bagh is FTOP, right? Plus 10 for Team C in the third rank.
In D, this is for you.
Again, from modern history, which political party was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose in 1939 after his break from the Congress? In 1939, Subhash Chandra Bose formed which political party after his break from the Congress? There is a full chapter in the NCRT. Yes.
Is it DJT?
Team A,
INA.
Team B.
Forward block.
Forward block is right. +5 for Team D. Good reply, Team B. I accord a hearty welcome to the president of this great institution. It is with his blessings we are conducting this event. Have a round of applause for our president, sir. He is here to bless all of us. Thanks for your Kavi, sir. 5 for Team
B, yes, 5. This was a passing question.
Team A, sports. Ready? Okay, Team A, this is for you. You have to name the sports in which the left-hand players are not allowed to play. Left-handers are not allowed to play in which game?
Yes, Team A.
Rugby. Rugby.
Yes, Team B.
Tennis.
Tennis, Team C. Table tennis. Table tennis, Team D.
Badminton.
Badminton. Passes to the audience. So many hands are there. Yes, they're last from this side. Polo is absolutely right. Again, we get it from the audience. Have it on the course. Team B, this is sorry. It's all girl team and you must reply it. Very famous personality. We have to name it. She is the first female impetus to scale Mount Everest. Artificial leg के साथ she scaled Mount Everest. She was the volleyball player at the national level. She awarded Padma Shri. You have to name that personality. Very famous personality. Three hints for you. First, Mount Everest with artificial leg, national level volleyball player, then awards and she. Bachindri Pal, no? Yes, Team C. Team C, you can try. Bachindri Pal was not. Yes, Team D. Team A. Passes to the audience. Yes, so many hands are there. Now this is from, yes, second last. Yes, you can reply. Arunima Sinha is absolutely right. If you don't know Arunima Sinha, just see her profile. She has no idea how to climb Mount Everest. It was the Bachindri Pal. She was in the hospital. Bachindri Pal motivate her. और डॉक्टर ये कह रहे थे कि हमें नहीं पता कि कब ये लड़की अपने पैरों पे खड़ी होगी. जब उसका एक्सीडेंट हुआ, शी वॉज फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू लखनऊ, उस ट्रेन से उसको बाहर फेंक दिया गया था. शी वॉज प्लेयर ऑफ वॉलीबॉल. और बचिंद्री पाल मोटिवेट हर कि आप में इतना जज्बा होना चाहिए कि आप माउंट एवरेस्ट भी चढ़ सकते हैं, और उसने वो करके दिखाया. इफ यू डोंट नो हर, जस्ट सी हर प्रोफाइल एंड ऑल वीडियोस आर अवेलेबल ऑन द यूट्यूब. Team C, this is sorry. Yes. Baji, Harbhajan Singh Baji. What is his middle name? Harbhajan Singh Man, where's Team D? You can try. Complete कर रहे हैं. Speak loudly into the mic. Harbhajan Singh.
Repeat the question.
Full name of Harbhajan Singh?
He said Man.
Yes, Team A, you can try. Harbhajan Singh.
complete karo. Gaba? Gaba?
Yes, team D.
Passes to the audience.
Yes. अब पवन सिंह पलाहा, ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हम लोग मिस कर रहे हैं, राइट? The people who are participating in quiz, they should be very vigilant. Again, have a round of chaos from the audience side. Teams D, this is for you. Last question of this round. Team D, I'm asking about sports institution, where it is located, right? Very prestigious institution. Listen it carefully. Where is the Netaji Subhash National Institute of Sports located? Uttar Pradesh, yes, team A. It was in news recently. Very famous institute. So Madhya Pradesh, team B. The back. Ahmedabad, team C. Passes to the audience. Yes, sir. But it is in Punjab. It is in Patiala. Because a new wing has been added in this stadium. That's why this stadium is in news. Right? I have one question in the preliminary round regarding the newspaper. Who's the editor of the Tribune? This was the question that I asked and nobody get it right? It means you are not regularly reading newspaper. To try to give at least 5 to 10 minutes to the newspaper. You start with the 5 to 10 minutes and you will get all such type of questions, right? Nowadays, the newspaper, they are just like the magazines. You have to preserve them. In one of the state, last week, they have made it mandatory for every student, school student, for one lecture, they have to read newspaper while sitting in the library. They made it mandatory because newspapers, they are very important for us. You have to regularly read that. Then you can be a good quizzer. Now, we go anti-clockwise from team D to team D to A. This is from the polity, right? Team D, this is for A. Supreme Court of India, an apex court, highest court, Supreme Court. Supreme Court of India works in how many languages? Yes, how many languages Supreme Court of India works?
22 languages.
22, yes. 22. 20. 23. 23. Team B. 21. 23, 22, 21 lists. 16. 16. Passes to the audience. Supreme Court of India works in how many languages? It works only, yes, only in English. Again from the audience, have a round of applause. It works only in English. Team C, this is for you. 26th January, it's a Republic Day. It's an Independence Day of which country? It's a Republic Day. It's an Independence Day of which country? Yes, Team C. Narito. Team D, you can try. Make a guess.
Japan.
Japan, yes, Team A.
Brazil.
Yes, Team D.
South Korea.
South Korea. Passes to the audience. It's an Independence Day of, yes. Anyone? It's an Independence Day of Australia. Australia got independence on 26th January 1788. You miss it, Team C. Now, the direct question to Team B. Team B, this is for you. In India, there is one political party. This is a party at the national level, right? And this party has a symbol as a book. We have to name that party. It's a national party. National Party having a symbol of a book. Yes. Team A, you can try. Pass. Team B,
Samajwadi Party.
Samajwadi Party. Team C, they are running side.
No idea. This was your question. Passes to the audience.
Yes. National People's Party. It's a very important party and very soon that party got a national status. Have a round of applause again for the audience. Last question of this round to Team A. Team A, this is for you. Again, directly from NCERT, right? When is the National Panchayati Raj Day celebrated? When we celebrate National Panchayati Raj Day?
So 5th of June.
Right of
5th of June.
5th of June. Yes, Pin D.
16th June. 16th June.
16th June. Team C. 12th June.
Passes to the audience. So many hands are there. Yes.
24th of April, because on this very day, the 73rd Constitutional Amendment was implemented in 1992. That's why we celebrate 24th April as National Panchayati Raj Day. Right? We have completed 5 rounds. Let's have the visual rounds. First visual for the audience. Just show the first visual for the audience. This is for the audience. Yes, identify the picture. Just raise your hand. You can meanwhile take water. If you want, you can take water. Just raise your hands. This is from the stage to the audience. Identify this statue inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 5th Feb 2022. Yes. This is Statue of Equality. 1,000 crore rupees was spent on this statue. It's world's second highest sitting statue after Buddha's statue. 260 feet height, and it cost around 1,000 crore rupees. It is in Hyderabad. Recently, this statue was it covered with 108 temples. It is surrounded by 108 temples. It's a very big complex where this statue is created. It is in Hyderabad. Statue of Equality. This saint is known as the saint who works for the people of all communities. That is why Ramanuja is known as Ramanuja. Ramanuja's memories of having the birthday of 1,000 year. जब इनका 1,000 सालवा बर्थडे था, उसमें इसको इनॉग्रेट किया गया. It is dedicated to Ramanuja on his memory of 1,000 years. Right? Next image for Team D. Team D, this is for you. Yes. It's no pass round. Team D, this is exclusively for you. Yes, Team D, identify this picture. Who can make a guess but won't get the marks? Yes, Team D, Team A, passes to the audience. It is in Madhya Pradesh, Churasi Yogini Temple. This is 64 yogi, not Churasi, 64. It has around 65 pillars. In between, there is a Shiva temple. And it is believed that this temple reflected the design of old parliament, right? We miss it, team D. Team C, this is for you. Next.
Image 3 for Team C. Team C, this is for you. Yes. Team C. No pass round, yes. Speak loudly.
Trivensalam. Trivensalam.
Trivandrum. Boom. You can make a guess. Rani ki Vav is right, but we get a clap from the audience and note get the marks. It's no pass round. ये कौन से नोट के ऊपर है? कौन से करेंसी नोट पे है? रानी की आग कौन से करेंसी नोट पे बना हुआ है?
Yes. 100. Okay. Next for Team
B. Team B, this is for you. Yes, next image please. Yes, Team B.
was Team A. You can guess.
Anyone from the stage guess it? Yes? Yes, you are right. Have a round of applause for Team D. You won't get the marks. ये कौन से नोट पे है? करेंसी नोट. 200 नोट. You miss it easily. You can guess it. आप लोग करेंसी देखते हो, करेंसी में से ही ये निकाले हुए क्वेश्चन है. तो मेरे तो लगा कि बुक्स तो बच्चे पढ़ते नहीं है, लेकिन नोट तो गिनते हैं. This is for the currency notes. Last for Team A. Team A, this is for E. और तेजी से मैडम ने लास्ट वाला चला दिया. This was for the audience. Now Team A, this is for you. Very famous picture. It was in news recently. Yes, anyone can make a guess?
Sun Temple.
Sun Temple, Punark, जगन्नाथपुरी से 35 किलोमीटर. ये कौन से रुपीस के है? कौन से नोट पे है? 10 rupees note. We have completed the 6 rounds. Just have a look on the score. Team B is on 20 and Team C is also on 20. Team A and D were yet to open their account. Right? Okay, we'll have the next 7th round after a short break. So, thank you, ma'am. Now we continue with the quiz. We have 2 rounds left. These 2 rounds will be the mixed backgrounds, right? Before we start the 2 rounds, we have 1 more rounds that will be the audio rounds, right? Sequence will be remain the same from D to A. In D, you have to listen the song. After the song, I will ask the question, right? Listen it, enjoy it, don't take any burden. After this, we will ask the question. First song for Team D. Yes, Team D. Very beautiful number. Dedicated to Mother India. We are approaching 15th of August, Independence Day, right? You have to name the movie. Manikarnika, Queen of Jhansi. Big round of applause for Team D. The moment we start this song, she was smiling because she seems to be very positive. And this is the lesson that we have to learn while preparing quiz. The things that we prepare consciously will sustain only for a short period. So what is required, what is the moral of the story is that we have to change our company. We have to be there in the company of the books. Right? We have to develop the habit. The best way to prepare the quiz is to develop the habit. You are not prepared for this, but this ladies mentioned that news will be there. and you have seen this movie, so you recall it. Congratulations, Team D. With this, you are opening your account. Have a round of applause for Team D. Team C, next song for you. Listen it carefully. Yes, Team C. से केसरी केसरी अभी तो मैंने क्वेश्चन भी नहीं पूछा. Who has written this number? It's just only for your lesson. When you answer that, you are taken it granted that it's about the movie. Right? Firstly, you have to listen the question. Maybe I can ask who has written this number, and only one person can do this, and that is Guljarji. It's written by Guljarji, but it is not Kesari. Yes, identify the movie. Yes, from the audience, yes. So many hands are there. Yes, last girl. Razi is absolutely right. Have a round of applause. She is going to collect so many gifts from the SACE college. It's from Duri Razi, right? किसकी आवाज है? किसने गाया ये? हाँ, easy, pretty. Try to go into the depth when you are preparing for quiz, right? Your vision should be different if you are preparing for the quiz, right? Next for Team D. Team D, this is Salvi. Yes, Team B. Identify the movie. Very famous movie.
Pathan.
You can try. Won't get the marks. Uri, the surgical strike is absolutely right. Have a round of applause for Team A. Next for you, Team A. Listen it carefully. You have to open the account, right? Yes, fourth for Team A. Right. Was written this member. Deepra. You can identify the move. You will get 10. I'm just preparing you, yet you have to go into the depth, right? Have a round of applause for Team A. It's from the movie Kesari. We get 10 for it. Or scorer ne 10 pehle likh diye to. Before they reply. Because she know that they are very positive vibes and they know this is from the movie Kesari. God bless. Next for our audience. Fifth for our audience. This is for you people. Listen it. And after that, we'll ask the question.
Fifth for other audience. Yes, so many hands are there.
Yes, who is the music director of this beautiful composition?
No. Yes. Sonu Nigar, no, he's a singer. Yes.
No, he has written this number. Who is the music director behind this beautiful song?
He's Shantanu Moitra from Assam. He has directed this song. Now we have completed the 7 rounds.
When do we Last round of this quiz, the 8th round. Very shortly, we are going to complete it. Just mix it. Give me one for team D. It's a mixed bag round. You would get questions from different fields. First for team D. Team D, this is for you. One card for team D. Team D, this is for you. This is from medical science. You have to name the only living tissue in the human body that does not contain any blood vessel.
미소. 복싱.
Next for team C. Yes, team D. Team C, only living tissue does not contain any blood vessel. Yes, team B. Team A. Passage to the audience. Yes. Cornea is absolutely right. Whatever you wish, you will get it, right? Next for team C. Team C, this is for you. This is from modern history. Who presided over the first inaugural session of the Constituent Assembly held on 9th December 1946? Who presided over the first session? Yes, team C. Dr. Rajinder Prasad. Team D. Speak loudly into the mic. D.R. Ambedkar. Yes, team A. Team D, you can try. Passes to the audience. Yes. Dr. Sachidanand Sinha, the senior most member of the Constituent Assembly, presided the first session that was held on 9 December 1946. Team D, this is for you. Very straightforward question. Where is the Bibi ka Maqbara? There is Bibi ka Maqbara. Yes. This where they, yes. Delhi, yes, team A.
Agra.
Agra, team D. Madhya Pradesh, team C. Where it is? Said Delhi. Delhi, passes to the audience. It is in Aurangabad, absolutely right. Not going into the detail. Last question of this quiz to team A. Team A, this is for you. Listen it carefully. Which important world event, this is a world event, occurs on the first Tuesday following the first Monday of November every leap year? First Tuesday following first Monday of November every leap year. Yes, team D. No idea. Team C.
So US president election.
Yes, absolutely right. US president election. Have a big round of applause for team C. Now we get the total of the quiz. Team A is on 10. Team D is on 20. Team C is on 25. And Team D is on 10. It proves to be a tie-breaking round, and Team C got the winner of the quiz with 25 marks. Have a big round of applause for all the teams. टाई ब्रेक हुआ ही नहीं है, ये टाई ब्रेक है. फर्स्ट सेकंड हो गया, थर्ड फोर्थ कर रही ब्रेक. हाँ लो जी, थर्ड फोर्थ ब्रेक कर लेंगे जी. क्वेश्चंस see, there is a tie between team A and team D, right? So I will ask one question to team A, then one question to team D, right? If you give a wrong reply, you will get -5. If you give the right reply, you will guess +5. Right? If you have no idea, you can say pass, and the scorer will not touch your score. But if you, if I had to complete one round, A, one question for you, B, one question for you. The person can pass. Right? Yes. Amy, this is for you. Which part of a living body does a chronologist study? CRANIOLOGIST. Chronologist study which part of the human body? Teeny. 16 seconds you will get for it. Yes, team D. You can reply +5 or -5. Team D. 8 seconds. Passes with the audience. Chronologist study skull and hits all around skull, right? You may say team A. Team D, this is for you. How do we commonly know the science of dactylography? DACTYLOGRAPHY. Dactylography is popularly known as a science of what? Yes, team B. Passes to the audience. It's a science of fingerprinting. Team A, this is for you. Which two countries are separated by 49th parallel? 49th parallel. Which two countries are separated by 39th parallel? Pass. Yes, world geography, team D, 49th parallel, countries and their boundaries. Separate chapter is there. 49th parallel. No idea, passes to the audience. So many hands are there, yes. USA and Canada, absolutely right. This was your question. Team D, this is for you. There in India is the oldest Brahma temple located. Very famous temple. Yes, team D. Yes, team A. You can reply. No idea. Passes to the audience. So many hands. Pushkar, Rajasthan. You see, pass game, right? Okay. Team here, this is sorry. In the Chacha Chaudhary comics, what's the name of Chacha Chaudhary's brother? Yes, team A. Any idea? Team B. Passes to the audience. Yes. Chaju Chaudhary is living just in the next village to Chacha Chaudhary's home, right? Team D, this is again from the comics and the cartoons. In the series Shota Bheem, what's the name of the daughter of the king Dulakpur? Yes, you are right. You will get 5 for it. Thank you so much. And the team D got the third position in the quiz with 15 marks. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. I record my sincere thanks to the great institution for giving me this chance to become the part of this event and take the blessings of our CEO members from the management. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to all the teams for participating in quiz. Only one thing is that in case इस क्विज में कोई जीतता नहीं है, कोई हारता नहीं है. It's all learning. मैंने भी यहाँ के बहुत सी चीज़ें सीखी है. तो आपने जिन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया 15 teams and their teacher, just have a big round of applause for them.
Thanks to the support provided by the students and the timekeeper, the media persons are here. I record my sincere thanks to them. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू डॉक्टर दिनेश. मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि ना सिर्फ पार्टिसिपेटिंग टीम्स को बल्कि ऑडियंस में से भी काफ़ी लोगों को डरा दिया सीधे काफ़ी मुश्किल सवाल पूछकर और इट मेड मी रियलाइज हाउ लिटिल आई नो. Congratulations to the winners. Now we have the first position being won by DAV College Senior Secondary School, DAV College Campus, Hoshiarpur. Second prize has been won by JBK CMG Senior School, Chakallabaksh area. And third prize by Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary Maurice School, Nishalte. So for the felicitation, I would now request Principal Sir to come forward along with Shri Adam Balaji, Ji Shoyit Salish, Shri Vaiti Joshi, Dr. Siddhi Arora, and I would also request Dr. Dinesh Arora to be also in the front to give away the prizes.
Isialu.
So एक felicitation teachers में so
You clean the construction prize.
would consider one of the would be that is a rule of I would request Mrs. Mandeep from Shri Guru Har Rai Sahab College for Women by Chabowal. I'm sorry, Shri Guru Har Rai Sahab College Senior Secondary School, Chabowal. I would now invite the first prize winning team to come on the stage. The team from David Collegiate Senior Secondary School, David College Campus, Sushate. और उनके टीचर इंचार्ज जो भी थे आ जाए. हरकिरण मैम.
What's you? What's your?
So congratulations, team. And keep it up. The second prize in this competition has been won by JDK CLG School in Chak Allah Baksh, Bikaria. Congratulations, Beta. Keep up the spirit. So, third prize has been won by Vidya Member Senior Secondary Model School, Nishato. Solid Lem. The consolation prize has been won by Kendriya Vidyalaya, which
No, we can never.
tough tied team the third and fourth prize winning tools.
이문에 उत्सव 요리의 기록 도로
So participants, be reminded that participation itself is a significant achievement. And you have to keep learning, keep growing, whether we win the prize or not.
Blade school. Let's see.
So I request all the participants to come to the stage as I announce their names to receive their certificates of participation. The team came Shri Guru Har Rai Sahab Collegiate Senior Secondary School, Chabbewal. देखिए नाम अनाउंस होता है कि आप आगे आते जाएं. इसके बाद मैं बुलाऊंगी श्री गुरु हरकृष्ण पब्लिक स्कूल पंदौरी खगौर की टीम को. आगे आ जाए उदी बच्चे. वो सेंटर से बच्चे.
Sí.
So this is the participant page from Shri Guru Har Rai Samad Collegiate Senior Secondary School, Chabbewal. This a coverage of this quiz would be telecast tomorrow at 11 a.m. at GDC Update on Facebook. So the team from Shri Guru Krishna Public School, Pandari Kujur. The next team to come on stage would be the team from SCDS Khalsa Collegiate Senior Secondary School, Mahilpur. बच्चे आगे आ जाएं प्लीज़. और इसके बाद मैं बुलाऊंगी JCDOV Collegiate Senior Secondary School, बसुआ की टीम को. Third team from SCDS Khalsa Collegiate Senior Secondary School, Mahilpur. So ये बच्चों ने बहुत सारे इंडिविजुअल प्राइजेस जीते हैं और मुझे लगता है साल भर के पहले इसने प्राइज ने जीतनी है.
Please.
So the team from JC Devi Collegiate Senior Secondary School, Dasua would come on the stage now. इसके बाद आएगी देवी सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल हुशियारपुर की टीम. आगे आ जाओ बच्चों.
Correct. Boy. Sorry.
हाँ जी, DAV सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल हुशियारपुर की टीम. इसके बाद मैं दिलाना चाहूँगी DAV मॉडल स्कूल पट्टी की टीम को. DAV मॉडल स्कूल पट्टी, आगे आ जाओ बेटा. स्कूल ऑफ एक्सीलेंस बागपुर सतौर की टीम दी आगे आ जाए. DAV मॉडल स्कूल पट्टी. Thank you for being part of this competition. So I believe that it was a great learning experience for everyone. Whether or not you won the prize, doesn't matter that much. Team from School of Excellence, Magpur Sator.
This is school Aries.
Sorry, School of Emilis, Bagpur Sator. And the team from SD Girls Senior Secondary School, Jaipur. SD Girls Senior Secondary School. इसके बाद तैयार रहिए SD Collegiate Senior Secondary School, हुशियारपुर की टीम. SD Collegiate Senior Secondary School. So this is the team from ST Collegiate Senior Secondary School, Hoshiarpur. And I would also invite the team from GDST Senior Secondary School, Haryana. आगे आ जाओ बेटा. So ये बच्चे हैं GDST Senior Secondary School हरियाणा से.
Harsh. You could have won TV.
So it is time to felicitate our quiz master now for all the hard work he put in to prepare all these questions from diverse topics across fields like history, collective science, current affairs, music, film, sports, and whatnot. A small token of gratitude from the college. Thank you, sir, for being a part of this event and giving Ivan much validate. So before me applause for the organizing team who have worked tirelessly to ensure that every details falls seamlessly into place. This includes the guidance from College Management Committee led by President Sir, our Principal Dr. Vinay Kumar, and other members of the organizing team. Special thanks to our Quizmaster Dr. Dinesh, to the timekeepers, to the scorers, and to the audience for their participation, active participation, I would say. And before we